Welcome! Today in front of me Google Pixel 6a and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open notification panel, and if you want to add here some icons or features, or just to remove some of them or to change their positions, you should click here to this edit icon, and after that we can see here all the available icons which we can add to our notification panel. For example, to add the hotspot, hold this icon and drag it here to this hub section. By this way we can also add here the location, dark time icon, and all of them if you want. If you want to remove some icons from here, by the same way, just hold it and drag it to this down section. By this way, and to change the positions of icons on the notification panel, you should by the same way hold and drag it. So as you can see, that's so simple, and then just go back to save here all the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.